In this video, we will walk you through the steps to install your new smart lock. For this video, we will use keys, one exterior assembly with cylinder, torque blade, and power cable, one interior assembly with battery cover, one mounting plate, one latch, one bottom plate, one square faceplate, one driving collar, one dust box, and one screw package. If there is an existing deadbolt lock, let's remove it before installation. To get started, gather 4 AA alkaline batteries and a Phillips screwdriver. Alkaline batteries are recommended for best performance. This smart lock fits door thickness from 1/3/8 to 2 inches and backset from 2/3/8 to 2/3/4. If your door is not pre-drilled, you can use the provided template to drill the necessary holes. For this, tear off the door template page included in the instructions manual and use it to get the right measurements. Prepare the door jamb, if needed, by using the strike plate as a guide. Attach the dust box and reinforce strike plate to the door jamb using the provided screws. If your door is already pre-drilled, there is no need to do this. The latch is set as 2/3/8 backset in box. To extend it to 2/3/4 backset, simply rotate the latch. Insert latch into latch hole and tighten the wood screws to secure it. Thread the cable through the hole and under the latch. Install the exterior lock assembly against door. Slide the cable through the notch in the mounting plate and then secure the mounting plate with screws. Connect the cable firmly into the connector port. Neatly arrange the cables inside. Attach the interior assembly to the door. Insert screws and tighten. Install batteries and battery cover. Enter a 4 to 8 digits admin code and press the lock icon to set it. Repeat to finish. Alternatively, scan the QR code to download the mobile app and follow the in-app steps to set the admin code. Once it's done, the lock will detect and change the bolt direction automatically. Congratulations! Your smart lock installation is complete. Enjoy the convenience and security of your new smart lock. If you need any assistance, visit our website or contact customer service. Thank you for choosing our smart lock.